Paint discoloration from mold or mildew is one of those annoying home problems that can totally kill your vibe and mess with your walls looking fresh. So, first thing, if you spot that greenish or blackish stuff on your painted walls, grab a mold remover spray or mix some white vinegar and water to treat it right away. Make sure you wear gloves and keep the windows open, because mold remover chemicals can be harsh. After spraying, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then scrub gently with a soft brush or cloth. Avoid harsh scrubbing because you don't want to damage your paint. Once the mold is gone, wipe the area with a damp cloth and dry it thoroughly, because moisture is what makes mold happy in the first place. To keep this from happening again, you gotta improve ventilation in your space by using fans, opening windows, or even getting a dehumidifier if it's super humid. Also, check for any leaks or damp spots in your walls or ceiling that could be feeding the mold. Keeping your home dry and well ventilated is like the best way to stop mold from coming back and wrecking your paint job. One of the biggest issues with paint discoloration from mold is not catching it early enough, so the mold can spread and stain deeper into the paint or drywall. Fix this by doing regular checks in damp areas like bathrooms or basements. Another common mistake is using bleach to clean mold without proper ventilation, which can create toxic fumes and doesn't always kill the spores completely. Instead, use a proper mold remover and keep windows wide open. People also tend to paint over mold without treating it first, which just traps the mold underneath and causes bigger problems later. Always clean and dry the surface thoroughly before repainting. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle these kinds of issues properly. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great way to get matched with people who actually need your skills and expertise.